Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. This is a video that I just feel like I need to make. I know when I was editing my last few videos, I know I was really coming off as mad. I sounded mad, I acted mad. Mrs. Hillbilly accuses me a lot of times of just coming across like I'm mad. Well, I am not mad in these videos. I'm disappointed. Really, really disappointed. Whether it's, one of the appliance manufacturers that, just can't seem to make parts that work and work properly. The original parts didn't last very long, and then the replacement parts are just garbage, don't work, don't half work, and there, I probably sound mad again, but I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. Why? Where's the quality control? That's all I've got. Where's the quality control? I'm sure they could do better. They would just have to have the desire to do better. And I think that's the problem. They have no desire to do better. They can sell the appliances. They can sell the parts. They've made their money. They don't really care, which is sad. There's just not a lot of, caring about the customer anymore, it seems like, to me. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know, but that's what it seems like to me. Well, then let's take tech support, okay? Tech support for these companies that make these appliances for these RVs, their tech support used to be fantastic. I mean, you could call them up. They would spend the time they need to on the phone with you, figuring out a problem, and you'd get your problem figured out, and everybody's happy. Customer's happy, you're happy. I'm sure even the tech support guys and gals are happy. Tech support, AC is just pretty much non-existent anymore. AC stands for after COVID. If you can even get through, you might get bad info, like I did on a video not so far in the past. If they don't know the answer, just say, hey, I'm not sure. Let me go talk to one of my other colleagues, or let me look into this. You can hang on the line, and I'll get you an answer. No, they just spout off the wrong answer, and they go on about their day and go to the next call and give that guy bad info too. Disappointing, very, very, very disappointing to me. And then the places that these coach manufacturers decide to put appliances. Now, I might be mad sometimes on those videos when I seem mad, but I'm really, really disappointed. I mean, they know when they design this thing that it's going to be virtually impossible to get to that appliance to work on it. And they know the appliance is junk, so they know you're going to have to work on it. They need to make this stuff accessible. This is ridiculous. That video just a few videos ago, I was working on a furnace. It was back inside of the storage compartment, the big pass-through storage compartment on a fifth wheel. And the first one I worked on that day, the storage compartment was really tall, had all kinds of room in there. Well, that second one, it was not quite as wide as my shoulders, and I would have to go up in there on my belly and then get my arms above my head, turn over on my side to be able to work on that thing. When you got bad shoulders, that's tough. And I don't think, I come out of that compartment I don't know how many times that day, and I swear I don't believe I didn't hit my head at least once coming out of that compartment the whole time I was working on that furnace. Because like I say, the compartment was just so short, and there was a slide room right there, so if I got out of the compartment without hitting my head, I'd hit my head on that slide room. I'm like, good grief. That stuff's just tough on us techs, and especially when we get a little gray in our beard. we can't get in tight spots anymore. I actually had a furnace a couple years ago. I think it was in a Jayco, and it was in a storage compartment like that, but from the storage compartment to where they put the furnace was a good 6 feet back through all the water lines, because the water compartment on that Jayco was right here. All the water lines, electric wires hanging everywhere. I mean, just, you could barely look back in there with a flashlight and see the furnace, and that was the only access. You had to go through that compartment and get to that furnace. No outdoor access door. I flat refused to work on it. Told the guy, no. I said, this thing needs to go back to a Jayco dealership. Let them work on it, because it's not worth it to me to get half a dozen water leaks, tear some wires loose or whatever. It's not worth it. And he's like, dude, I don't blame you one bit. He said, that's a terrible place to put that furnace and not give any more access. So he understood. He's a working man. He understood. Never heard from him again. I don't know what he did. So I don't know whether he took it back to a Jayco dealer or whether he's still using electric furnaces to heat his camper. I do not know, but I just know I never heard back from him. So yeah, this is just a short video to let y'all know that I'm typically a pretty happy guy, pretty easygoing. Depending on who you are, I'm pretty easy to get along with. And I'm not. I may come across mad in my videos, but I'm not. I'm really just more disappointed than anything else. So don't y'all be disappointed. Get down there and leave me a comment, a criticism, concern. Hopefully by the time you see this video, my new website will be up. I hired some people to build me a website. I'll put the name of the website right here, because I'm not 100% sure what it is yet. I believe it's going to be a .net, but there will be a link to it down in the description of this video, and all them other links will be gone. They'll be on the website, so there'll be one central location for all that stuff. I asked the guys that's building it to be sure and put some kind of forum on there, so that maybe we can start some discussions on there, because I'd really like to build this hillbilly community, and I hope that this website is going to be, what makes that finally happen. I hope. So go check that out, and it's Saturday afternoon. I'm not going to go up the road and fix another one, but y'all have a fantastic day anyway.